Ooh! Yeah, let's see what we can see here. Oh! Damn! That's not a bad view. More Vegas, baby! Dude, we are finally here. This is, I guess, our third day in Vegas. Literally, like, we've never been to Vegas before, me or Emerson, so we literally just got here early and just did like a bunch of touristy stuff. We're still doing touristy stuff, but we spent the first couple days just like on the strip, old Vegas, new Vegas, just drinking, losing money, having fun. But dude, we're here and I'm fired up. We made it, boys. First things first, we got the badge, we got a coffee, but I have absolutely, like, I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I have absolutely no idea what's going on here. So my badge says buyer on it, even though I am not a buyer. I can't just go rack up DSG's budget. But basically what's happening is, you guys know that DSG is the company that's been supporting the BRZ build. They are where you guys can get the Karma kit for the BRZ. We are here with them, like we're sharing an Airbnb for the rest of the week, like we're just here with them, so they registered me, so now I have a buyer's badge. So technically I could just go rack up their bill. So we kind of messed up and we registered super late, so we literally just had to wait in this entire line for like an hour to get our badge. But we got it, we're rolling, and we're with some of the DSG boys. So you guys are gonna see, this is Frank, and then there's gonna be a couple other DSG guys with us also, but they just aren't here yet. So you'll see these guys in the background of the videos probably most of the time we're at SEMA, because that's who we're with. Frank also knows where we're going, and me and Emerson, we're just following. I just paid $4 for this hotel coffee and I just burnt the absolute hell out of my tongue. You want to be my bag guy? We can just share one. Just get doubles. Literally saying that SEMA this year is just going to be lifted trucks and Supras. Changed my mind. It's literally the first thing when you walk in. Damn, dude, that's nice. That's nice. Really aren't, like, let's get into the show. He's so little. Yo, this one might be the nicest one yet. I think this is my favorite Supra.
I think I still like the red one.
You still like the red one better? This thing's sick. It's so hard for the camera to see it. So what he was saying is, like, the hood is dry carbon, but then the kit, like the aim gain kit, is wet carbon. So the hood's dry carbon because the hatch factory is dry. Yeah, like this. This is like a factory carbon. They just thought they'd tie in the hood with this, but I do agree. I think it would look way cooler if it was all carbon. It almost looks like kind of factory, you know? This is the aim gain kit. This is another one of JJ's cars that's here. Just one of his cars in general. I don't know how many he's got here, but I'm pretty sure this is that nice. Actually, he said he was gonna leave stock. That did not work, dude. He does have a couple cars here, and one of them is like super cool. He was showing it to us really quickly earlier. I tried to film it, but like it was just really quick and then we had to go. I'm gonna try and show it to you guys tomorrow. It's like, it literally deserves its own part in tomorrow's video. It's so cool. It's really cool. This is what I was telling you guys. Supras and trucks, but we're coming into this issue now. Emerson has looked at so many Supras that I might get a Supra. He kind of wants to buy a Supra, and I kind of feel like we should help him make that happen. Like, I feel like there's no reason why he should not be driving a Supra. Like, I feel like there's people that would get it just for clout, and then I feel like there's you. I feel like you actually like deserve one because you want it because you like it. You know what I mean?
I like it.
Oh,
like I also like this thing.
Well, we can't afford this. Difference isn't what we can afford, bro. You can't open it. Hey, you might be able to open it. Trying to break into cars at SEMA. That is super tight though. The gas mileage is probably great.
I've seen better equipment.
Ooh, whoa, this one's right-hand drive. What the heck? A right-hand drive GTR. An R35?
That's weird.
That is weird. You don't usually see that. Ooh, I found my next car. It's this way. Yes, dude. Oh yeah, and we can do it. And you know we can. You know we can. It's a BC car because we can get them, and the states can't. I could do this. I could do this. Look at like the welds here. Look at this. That's intense. Dude, are you sure you want a new Supra? Look at these. Have you seen these? You would. Just saying, bro. There's potential.
Honestly, okay. Any single person watching, yes or no to Supra?
Dude, people are gonna say no because it's like overdone or being overdone. But I'm gonna say yes, that you deserve it. I gotta ask you a serious question though. Speaking of Supras, what are your thoughts on this?
I like it because one, I don't own a Supra, and two, it's like not aggressive.
It's like a medium.
Like compared to the one,
compared to the Pandem one, it's a lot less aggressive than other ones. But like, I don't know, I kind of like it. Honestly, I prefer this one.
The 19's like the body kit or the way it's
the body kit. I don't even think it's like frontal. Like I like this. I think like what really gets me is just the girth. I would let you get one. How about I'll do you one better? I will help you get one. That's me. Look it, that's me. What the heck? There's me. There's you and me. And we're literally on a TV playing at the spray person thing. How funny is that? Dude, that's unreal. I can't believe I just saw that. Something I like is that there's like a lot of like muscly cars here. SEMA's not a lot of like tuner. There's like some dope stuff like this. Yeah, there's like such a cool, like the point of this is not, obviously is not about just the cars. Like it's a lot less like tunery cars than you would imagine. It's more just like trucks and like muscly cars, and I like it because it's like a really weird mix that I'm into and you never really see at the kind of shows that we would go to. Like these things. These are just like things that I'm into. I don't think I could put what you just said in a video. But like, that's stuff that like I'm into. I'm like this weird mix of things I like. I'm not like strictly JDM like a lot of these other guys are. It is cool. It's a very cool mix. I like it. How are we back here? How are we here again?
Did we not try to just walk away? I think we're just doing loops now.
Oh man. Okay, let's go. Let's try going this. Oh, that's the way we went. Okay, we're going this way. This place is a trap. So I could tell you something most likely to happen. Do you want to hear it?
Not that much room.
Of course there's room. Dude, have you seen any of Adam LZ's build that he's done to his?
Is the Supra?
Yeah, you should watch some of it. Anyways, here's what I'm saying. We just need to back up to get bigger picture. So this is the most likely scenario for you. You get this. Move.
You get that?
Move. Oh my god. And I get this. And we'll make sure they match in color and we can just bomb around town together. Because I would prefer this one.
I like this one.
But you would prefer this one
too. But the money I'm spending.
Yeah. It's literally 4 o'clock and the show ends at 5 and we just came outside for the first time. Literally haven't even been outside yet except when we got here and came in. And we walked outside. What? We just heard good sounds. I don't even know what's going on here. Something good has to be going on here. That is mint. Oh, we figured it out, boys. That's tight. What today was missing. 550 chassis, full crew cab, looks nice. Earth Roamer, that's tight, dude. I like this.
Yeah, so Earth Roamer's like the brand that builds these.
The outfitter.
Yeah, exactly.
Like Earth Roamer just outfits the Ford.
Yeah.
That's dope. Emerson just told me a bunch about it. I tried to get the camera super close to his face, but I doubt you guys heard it because there was literally drifting right there. Oh, this is where you catch me. Until tomorrow morning.
That's a lie.
That's SEMA.
We're going out tonight.
I know we're going out tonight. It's Vegas, baby. We gotta go out. Anyways, we made it back to Airbnb.
You idiot.
That was so weird.
You idiot.
Did you see that? I literally took my pass off and it got stuck on the... What are the chances of that? Can't even do it again if I tried. Made it back, we're at Airbnb now. Today was good though, like I didn't know what to expect going to SEMA. It was one of those things where like I've never been and I've just seen videos and photos and stuff of people being there. So I really had no clue what to expect. It was cool. And I know a lot of people just think it's like a big car show, but it's like majorly like for businesses. The point of it is to go and like meet people and network and do that kind of stuff. It's not as much of a car show, so we spent a lot of today doing that. So hopefully today's video was good. We tried to like make us a point of going and getting some content for you guys, but we'll have a better idea of what's going on tomorrow and the next day, so hopefully those videos will be a little bit better. Today was just kind of a show, but we're gonna go do some Vegas stuff tonight, so that's it. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully today's video was good. I'll catch you next time. Peace out and stay committed.